Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cerebrum Tube channel name. Today, we'll cover 20 important idioms and phrases with their meanings, examples, and Hindi explanations. These are essential for DSSSB, SSC, and other competitive exams. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Idiom phrase, to keep the ball rolling. Meaning in English, to continue work. Hindi explanation, काम को जारी रखना. Example sentence, we need to keep the ball rolling if we want to meet the deadline. Idiom phrase, bull in a china shop. Meaning in English, one who causes damage. Hindi explanation, एक असावधान व्यक्ति जो नुकसान पहुंचाता है. Example sentence, his clumsy behavior was like a bull in a china shop at the event. Idiom phrase, at one's fingertips. Meaning in English, easily available. Hindi explanation, आसानी से उपलब्ध. Example sentence, the internet has made information available at our fingertips. Idiom phrase, a drop in the bucket. Meaning in English, a very small part of something big or whole. Hindi explanation, बहुत बड़ी चीज का छोटा सा हिस्सा. Example sentence, donating a small amount might seem like a drop in the bucket, but it helps. Idiom phrase, cry wolf. Meaning in English, intentionally raise a false alarm. Hindi explanation, झूठा शोर मचाना. Example sentence, if you keep crying wolf, no one will believe you when there's a real problem. Idiom phrase, drop the ball. Meaning in English, to make a mistake. Hindi explanation, गलती करना. Example sentence, he dropped the ball by not submitting the project on time. Idiom phrase, a blessing in disguise. Meaning in English, something good that isn't recognized at first. Hindi explanation, छुपा हुआ आशीर्वाद. Example sentence, losing that job was a blessing in disguise as it led to a better opportunity. Idiom phrase, devil's advocate. Meaning in English, someone who argues just for the sake of argument. Hindi explanation, केवल बहस के लिए तर्क करने वाला व्यक्ति. Example sentence, she often plays the devil's advocate to make discussions more interesting. Idiom phrase, keep your chin up. Meaning in English, to remain joyful in a tough situation. Hindi explanation, कठिन समय में खुश रहना. Example sentence, even after the failure, he kept his chin up and tried again. Idiom phrase, a milk and water. Meaning in English, lacking strength or substance. Hindi explanation, कमजोर या प्रभावहीन. Example sentence, his argument was nothing but milk and water. Are you finding this helpful? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam-focused content. Let's move on to the next set of idioms. Idiom phrase, mum's the word. Meaning in English, to keep quiet. Hindi explanation, chup रहना. Example sentence, mum's the word about the surprise party. Idiom phrase, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Meaning in English, don't make plans based on assumptions. Hindi explanation, पहले से ही अनुमान लगाकर योजना न बनाएं. Example sentence, she planned a vacation before getting her bonus. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Idiom phrase, a lost cause. Meaning in English, a hopeless situation. Hindi explanation, निराशाजनक स्थिति. Example sentence, saving the old building seems like a lost cause. Idiom phrase, foam at the mouth. Meaning in English, to be enriched and show it. Hindi explanation, गुस्से में आना. Example sentence, He was foaming at the mouth after hearing the news. Idiom phrase, to bite the dust. Meaning in English, to die or fail. Hindi explanation, har jana ya mar jana. Example sentence, many old technologies have bitten the dust. Idiom phrase, an eye for an eye. Meaning in English, retaliation. Hindi explanation, badla lena. Example sentence, some believe in the principle of an eye for an eye, but forgiveness is better. Idiom phrase, to look down one's nose. Meaning in English, to look contemptuously at. Hindi explanation, tiraskarpurvak dekhna. Example sentence, he looks down his nose at anyone who doesn't own a car. Idiom phrase, the man in the street. Meaning in English, a common man. Hindi explanation, sadharan admi. Example sentence, the man in the street is most affected by inflation. Idiom phrase, in the seventh heaven. Meaning in English, extremely happy. Hindi explanation, behad khush. Example sentence, she was in the seventh heaven after getting her dream job. Idiom phrase, to blow hot and cold. Meaning in English, to keep changing one's opinions. Hindi explanation, apni raay badalte rehna. Example sentence, his attitude towards the project blows hot and cold. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Take care.